everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just about to head out now to the workshop. I'm running a little bit late, but I'm super excited to get this project underway, so let's get going. We're going to be building a wooden organiser. Okay, don't judge me, I just took you through the shop. It's a mess, but I haven't got time to clean. We're just going to go straight into the project. I am going to have to move some stuff from down the bottom, but other than that, we're going to go straight in. All I'm going to do now is make a template. Now that I know the layout that I want, I'm just going to use some scrap plywood for that. So we'll draw it out to the dimensions. Once we've done that, we can then prep the material that we're going to use. Just finished up the template. We've cut some pilot holes ready to take it to the scroll saw. We'll cut out all the pieces as close to the lines as possible, and then we'll touch up with some files and some sanding, and then we can start prepping the material for attaching the template. Now that we've got the curved cutouts all sanded, I'm now going to go to the workbench and file these down flat, and then it'll be ready. wondering what's happened, I don't know. My electric seems to have just gone out on me, so I don't know, maybe get the... Oh, we're back. Awesome. Means I don't have to go fix it. That's the template all done. Next thing to do is grab this material here. I'm going to cut it down on the miter saw, overcut it, take it to the planer, surface everything, and then we can stick the template down and route out all the individual compartments. Is to line up the template on the workpiece. I'll show you how I do that. I've marked on my template, I know this is my center line, and it goes all the way across, all the way through, and then my center line coming down there. And on the workpiece itself, I've done a center line from one end to the other and from top to bottom. So obviously that's the center, and all I do is line my template up with that line, and the same then with this line. I'll try and show you from above. So it will sit on there like so. What I'll do is use the masking tape and hot glue trick, which is what I use all the time for templates. We'll hot glue that template down temporarily. Finished using the template to route out the sections. This is what it looks like. I've only got a small router, which means I've only got a certain amount of depth with the thickness of the template. But if I want to go any deeper, I'm going to see how it looks once I take the template off. If I need to go any deeper, then I can take this off and then just follow the pattern that's on the inside. Good morning, it's it's a new day, and we finished off taking the template. I've decided I want to go a little bit deeper with these sort of sections. I'm not sure what to call them. What I'm going to do is swap out my router bit. This is the router bit that I'm going to put into my router. It's got a bearing on the top, so then this will drop down into the workpiece and I'll be able to follow my pattern. That's all done. I'm happy with the depth. What I'm going to do now is take it to the bandsaw. Actually, I lied. I'm not going to take it to the bandsaw. We're going to put a chamfer along the inside of these edges. Not this one, just these ones. And then we'll take it to the bandsaw and cut them out. So let's get going. That's the organizer finished. I've given it a once over hand sanding. This is the end product. So what I'm going to do is vacuum all the dust out of all the grooves, and then we'll apply some finish. The finish I'm going to use is Osmo. Osmo poly oil. It's clear satin. There's loads of different ways you can apply this finish. I'm just going to use a foam brush because that's what I have right now, so let's go. Organizer complete. I'm super happy with it. All that's left to do is put a second coat on, sand it in between, and it'll be ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, of course subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.